Hello, what is up mga moms sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines, and today we are going to customize the NECA TMNT or Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles na Mirage Edition. So first we are going to use Bosni Flat Clear for our primer para magkaroon siya ng adhesive layer dun sa surface so that the paints will stick dun sa surface ng action figure. Ito yung gagawin natin, comic book paint style. Add highlights, line art, fine detailing, pwede yan cross-hatching, feathering, and transitions. Tapos top coat na. So okay, so dito sa face na to, gumagamit ako ng darker shade of green. Ito na yung mga shadows. Thank you very much Hero Paints for sponsoring this video. Tapos yung movement ng brush ko dito, it's a flicking motion para kita yung brush strokes. Okay, next mag-mix tayo ng grass green and yellow para naman sa first layer of highlights. Pa rin yung movement ng ating brush or yung brush stroke natin. It's a flicking motion. Press muna tapos flick so that yung brush strokes makikita dun sa surface. And then next layer will be grass green, yellow, and white. So ang concept lang natin dito, since base na yung meron na tayong base color, so we'll add the shadows, highlights 1, highlights 2. Ito na yung highlights 2 ngayon. Okay, for the bandana, gumamit ako ng ultra white para magkaroon tayo ng base color, a lighter base color kasi babaguhin natin yung colors ng bandana. Okay, for Leonardo, it's cobalt blue. For Michelangelo, it's orange. And for Red Raphael, tapos purple naman or violet naman para kay Donatello. Okay, para doon naman sa chest nila, it's a darker shade of brown para makapag-apply tayo ng shadow. So yun yung shadow, ganun lang yung concept natin. Shadows, highlights 1, highlights 2. Kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng highlights 3, pwedeng pwede. And then the line art. Okay, sa line art naman, ito na yung black paint na ginagamit natin. Again, from Hero Paints. Thank you very much, Hero Paints. Tapos, I'm using a finer round brush with fine tip para makagawa tayo ng mga transition lines. Ginagawa ko to sa mga deepest parts talaga ng mga areas. And if I want to do an illusion of transition, pwede kong gamitin yung inking styles like feathering or cross hatching. Okay, last na gagawin ko dito yung yung highlights. So gumamit lang ako ng white paint para i-apply yung last layer of highlights. Yan. And then for additional ink na stroke, this is the Pilot Twin marker. This is permanent and safe for use naman to sa mga action figures. So yun mga ma'am, sir ma'am, yun na yung last na step. And actually nag-apply pala ako dito ng top coat, Boss Knee Flat Clear din. So yun yung ginamit natin for primer, and same lang din yung ginamit natin for top coat. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you sa next video. Bye bye.